Hi, today we are conducting quiz. Concept is conservation of plants and animals. Our teams are Louis Pasteur, Edward Jenner, Alexander Fleming. Second question. Now, Louis Pasteur question. Large area protected to conserve wildlife and natural resources is called.
National Park.
Wrong answer. Pass to question. Edward Jenner.
Sanctuaries.
Wrong answer. Now Alexander Fleming. Time up. Second question. Now Edward Jenner question. Cutting down of forests. Next question. Edward Jenner. Cutting down of forest is known as.
Deforestation.
Correct answer. Now Alexander question. Red data book contains information about.
Endangered species.
Correct answer. Now Louis Pasteur question. Project Tiger was started to protect.
Tigers.
Correct answer. Now Edward Jenner question. Migration of birds happens due to.
Climate changes.
Another. Okay, correct. Now Alexander Fleming question. A species that no longer extinct is called.
Endangered.
Wrong answer.
Endemic species.
Wrong answer. A species that no longer extinct is called. Time up. Answer is extinct. Now, Louis Pasteur question. Replanting trees is a deforested area is called.
Reforestation.
Correct answer. Now, Edward Jenner question. Kaziranga National Park is famous for.
Tigers.
Wrong answer. Pass to Alexander Fleming.
Wildlife sanctuaries.
Wrong answer. The answer is one. The answer is 100 rhinoceros. Now, question goes to Alexander Fleming. Wildlife Protection Act in India was passed in. Pasteur.
Squirrel.
Wrong answer. Edward Jenner.
1999.
Wrong answer. The answer is 1972. Now question is Louis Pasteur. Paper should be dashed to save trees.
Recycling paper.
Correct answer. Now Edward Jenner question. Foresters helps in maintaining the balance of dash in the atmosphere.
Trees.
Wrong answer. Alexander Fleming.
Animals.
Wrong answer. Now Louis Pasteur.
Reforestation.
Wrong answer. The answer is oxygen.
Rain.
Now question for Edward Jenner. Large scale cutting of trees causes.
Ecosystem damage.
Wrong answer. Now Alexander Fleming.
Flash. Different.
Wrong answer. Now Louis Pasteur.
Flash.
Wrong answer. The answer is floods. Now question for Alexander Fleming. The main cause of extinction of species is dash destruction.
Habitat.
Correct answer. Now question for Louis Pasteur. Disappearance of species disturbs the dash balance.
Ecological.
Is correct answer. Now question for Edward Jenner. Biosphere reserves helps in conserving both plants and dash.
Animals.
Is correct answer.